So, hi, I'm Clark, and I'm going to teach you how to, if you have these Wristband Warrior guys, I'm going to teach you how to do this. So you just simply put the ripper into the guy that you want and just rip it out and just put it on the track like this, and then spin. And also, these two things here, these are launch pads. And there's a few types of arenas. So there's this golden one and another really cool one which I wanted but I couldn't get because people were saying it was too complicating to drop the guys down from like a certain height.
They were falling off the ramp.
Yeah, they were falling off this little ramp that makes them go down and into the arena.
Right.
So we just got this one.
The regular battle arena.
Yeah, they were in the battle arena.
Yeah, okay. Give it a rip. Whoa! And who's that guy you have there, Clark?
Flash.
And who else do you have?
John Cena. And they also rip pretty well. But one day my sister cut herself with the cord right here and with the Flash here. So that's maybe all I could say.
Okay. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Adios, muchacho.
No.